Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and answer a question if the Xbox Series X can play Blu-ray DVDs or just regular DVDs. So I have Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles right here I'm going to go ahead and try. And then here's My Neighbor Totoro or whoever on Blu-ray. So I'm going to open this up and then put it into my Xbox. So here is the Blu-ray version right here. So let's try this out because that's probably how most of these movies are nowadays. And then place it into my Xbox. Hopefully I place it in the right way here. And see if anything pops up on the screen. So this is a Blu-ray. And it's in. Got my controller right here. And I'm looking for some sort of icon or an indication that I can watch this movie. So nothing is popping up for me at the moment. So maybe I put it in the wrong way. So let's eject it and just see. So let's flip it around and try it this way. See if it's going to read. So once again, this is a Blu-ray disc. Usually when you put it in, you get an icon on the screen. Okay, so it looks like I have to install the Blu-ray player. So make sure you have it in the correct way. If you don't, flip it around. I have to install this. It says watch Blu-ray or DVD movies on your Xbox One. Okay, so it looks after you install this, you should be good to go. So you have to download this. That's weird. You have to download it from the internet before you can actually start watching a movie in here. So it looks like it's installing right now, and it seems like it takes a while just to install. I have pretty quick internet here too at my house. So let's go over here. So it's installing right here. Let's go on over to My Games and Apps. Go to See All and then go to the queue. So here's the queue right here. Maybe we can get to speed up a little bit by pausing it and then resuming it. So it's only 2 megabytes, or 2 right here. So it's a very quick download. It just takes a long time to install apparently. So we should be able to watch DVDs and movies after we install this. So just make sure the DVD or movie is in the correct way, and then it will prompt you to download this, and you should be good to watch it after that. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.